Hello, my name is Andrea Tau, and during my 15 years career in automotive embedded field as a software engineer, I attended lots of trainings as a trainee, and later on, I also played the role of the trainer. In this video, I want to share with you one important insight from the world of training. Why shall trainings be personalized? One of the reasons is that the trainer cannot adapt his speed of talking to match the needs of all his attendees. For those unfamiliar with the topic or hear the topic for the first time, the trainer's speech sounds like this. Functional safety is the part of the overall safety of a system or a piece of equipment that depends on automatic protection operating correctly in response to its inputs or failure in a predictable manner. The automatic protection system should be designed to properly handle likely human errors, hardware failures, or operational or environmental stress. What happens then? The trainee raises his hand and asks to have the information repeated, and the trainer repeats the information without problems. Functional safety is the part of the overall safety of a system or piece of equipment that depends on automatic protection operating correctly in response to its inputs or failure in a predictable manner. The automatic protection system should be designed to properly handle likely human errors, hardware failures, and operational or environmental stress. While this remains still too fast, and the trainee didn't get much more understanding out of it, here is how this sounds for the trainees that know already the topic and came at the training for small refinements or for asking the trainer specific questions. Functional safety is the part of the overall safety of a system or piece of equipment that depends on automatic protection operating correctly in response to its inputs. When learning is such an individual matter, people learn at different rates. They concentrate best at different times of the day. Some are at their sharpest first thing in the morning, and some are receptive at night. One requires silence to optimize his focus, and another requires music. Even the music type is not like that t-shirt, one rhythm fits all. Some prefer the classic type of music, and some other prefer rock or meditation music to support their focus. Given all these variations, why do we insist to run the trainings at the impersonal rhythm of the trainer and in this old and inefficient way? Why not record them on video and give the freedom to each person to learn as it suits best his or her needs? If wondering who could help you with recording your trainings, I can give you one hint: Tau at automated-training.com.